final part of this course, I will also try to bring to your attention some of the things how you can use Nano Banana to be able to at least start up a side business and different kinds of business you can do. So one of them is to sell on platforms like DeviantArt. They allow you to sell your products or images, and here it's a bit more lenient because if you look closely at most of these images, you can see that some of them are AI generated and most people are selling them. So if you're able to get an account and get into the kind of account tier that allows you to be able to sell your art, you can be lucky enough to get your art here and get people to buy it. So this is another way you can use Nano Banana to be able to get side hustle from there also. Um, you can also use it to create adverts or samples for your graphics. So if you look at my account here, you can see that I'm using it to promote so you can see I could sell them. So I'm using to promote some of my print on demand shirts. So this is what you have here. So these are different ways you can set up your Nano Banana to be able to make side hustles for you. So this is just a small addition. I just want to add to the course so that you can at least know what is possible out there. Thank you.